In this Sailing Doodles, we explore the lighthouse at the beautiful island of Culebrita, and Taylor models the Sailing Doodles Bikini. I'm Bobby, and welcome to Sailing Doodles. Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. In the previous video, we arrived to the Puerto Rican island of Culebrita, where we had a great time on the beach doing some dancing. All right, today we are gonna hike to the lighthouse. So paddle aboard ashore since we still have no operating dinghy, and then go check it out. Waves are a little bigger today.
That was a perfect dismount.
Yeah, that was perfect.
Look at this water. That was terrible.
That was good, you did good.
Wow.
I feel like I should be doing this barefooted.
I feel a leg abrasion coming on. And ow.
You lost your fingers.
I can't. I'm gonna do it barefooted later.
Our friends Brandon and Dustin from SD8 to Lovelace were joining us, and they brought their dog, Rito.
Graceful.
That was good. That was a good dismount. They might be having issues though. Uh-oh. There's nothing like seeing an excited dog run down the beach. It really made me miss Maverick and Goose. So we're joined also by our friends Brandon and Dustin. Hey guys.
That's us.
Known them, what, I don't know, we met last October, I guess.
Yeah.
So, but they're good friends, everybody here, and you can follow them on Instagram, SBA.
That's right.
All right, let's go hike. When we met there in October, there were lots of drinks involved, I believe.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was my birthday, yeah. That's right.
I think that was the second time we met you, actually. I
Okay.
think we met you first in July.
Yeah, that's right, man. 4th of July and then that, yeah. Well, both drinking involved. The Culebrita Lighthouse was completed by the Spanish in 1886. As a part of the treaty in the Spanish-American War in 1898, the U.S. took possession of all of Puerto Rico and the surrounding islands. The lighthouse remained in operation until 1975.
How's the view up there?
Oh, you get like 360.
Yeah, so it's a nice spot. Culebra right there. We're on Culebrita. Over there is Vieques in the distance. In the far distance, can't quite see the mainland of Puerto Rico. It's on the other side of Culebra. And then you got St. Thomas and the Virgin Islands over there.
Oh my goodness. Such a good view.
So most of these lighthouses down here, like they call them the Spanish Virgin Islands, be Culebra, Culebrita, and
Vieques.
Puerto Rico, Vieques. They're all, most of these lighthouses were built in the mid to late 1800s. And of course, we got them back in the Spanish-American War in the late 1800s. I think it was I don't know. People in the comments, I'm sure, will correct me. I want to say 1890 something.
Look at the floor.
I know.
It's like tiled floor. Got a bucket hat, boys.
They could be used as lighthouses. Mostly they were just kind of notification towers. Like, so somebody would live here and just keep an eye out for British or Dutch boats, right? Because, you know, this was Spanish territory. And then, of course, signal it to lights to Vieques or the mainland of Puerto Rico. Well, and they really designed all these buildings to have really good airflow. I mean, because, you know, sitting right here, it's not hot at all, right? 'Cause all the air is going through here and it just ventilates through the rest of the house. And so you don't really need air conditioning.
Right. This is blocked off. Get up there. It's the main thing.
Crap, what is this? Rabbit crap or
Deer.
deer crap?
Goat. It's all good,
Yeah.
actually.
Whoa.
It's easy. These might be the invention, eh?
Oh, fuck.
No. It looks like a bit of holy rusted metal, Batman.
I know, but
Somebody's put boards up, and somebody's done it.
Getting rescued out here would be very difficult.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. You had a tetanus shot lately?
yeah.
You really gonna go for it? Okay. I will back away so you don't fall through on me. Look how narrow this stuff is.
Holy f***ing dookie balls.
I can see you.
These floors in here. What do you think of these floors, Taylor?
They're like almost like marble.
They are marble, I think.
They're fancy.
Yeah.
And they're still intact, completely almost.
You want to go down into the sewer, Taylor?
Like, what was the?
I wonder how many people would live here.
Yeah, like how many people lived here?
I don't know all the history about it, but I bet you there's a voiceover coming with a drone shot around the whole place. Wow.
You got the full 360 up here.
Alright, pretty cool checking out the lighthouse and everything up here. Now we're going to head down and go to, you can either call it Trash or Treasure Beach, depending on your state of mind. Yeah, depending on what you find. But it's kind of like everything from the Virgin Islands kind of washes down wind, and that's why they call it Trash or Treasure Beach. Yeah, this is it. It's it. It's not too bad. You beat us. So much plastic washed up, you know?
It's looking more like trash.
Yeah. That might be a kayak down there, though. So, last time I was here 4 years ago, I found a dinghy on the beach that was in pretty good shape. Towed it back to Puerto Rico. But there's another dinghy here. It doesn't look as in good a shape, though. We'll check it out. A little worse for wear. Yeah. That one's been around the block a few times. Been painted a few times too, so. Yeah.
Stainless strip on the edge is not a bad idea.
Yeah.
We need to do that on ours.
Oh yeah. I'm not.
Take a swig, come on.
Way, man. You gonna do it?
No.
Come on.
Are you doing it?
No, Taylor's gonna.
Taylor, you gonna do it?
Oh, it is. It's actually like.
Yeah, they can smell it.
All right. Wait. So for $100, wait.
Alright. I'm doing it.
All right.
Fermented
Oh.
sulfur. It's a pirate life.
I think I wasted my money on that. Alright, we are going to re-anchor a little bit closer to shore and a little bit straighter into the swell. So we pulled up the stern anchor already, and we're going to pull up the bow anchor and then head over. Kind of anchoring this thing, you know, stern into the wind to the beach like this is like a three-man job. You have somebody to drive the boat, somebody to man the anchor, and then somebody to take the stern anchor out. On a smaller boat, you get away with two, but I can't see what she's doing in the back with the stern anchor, so I need somebody to, I mean, normally if I could do the anchor from the helm, like I can right now, but the problem is I can't see back there. So what I do is we had Taylor stand up at the front, and she manned the anchor windlass up there. And basically I told her how much chain I wanted to put out. So once we started doing that, I started backing us up in the direction I wanted to go. Then I let her do her thing, left the controls in neutral, and I ran back down here to where I have my aft controls And I was able to back the boat up where I wanted it using these controls. And then I was just doing it slowly, you know, because I know she's letting the chain out, you know, at whatever speed she can. And then I had Sydney swim out with our stern anchor out there once I got to where I wanted us to be. So she jumped off with a little floaty carrying the anchor, and then I kind of held us in position where I wanted us to be right here, and then she went out there. Now we have this beautiful beach right off our aft deck. I mean, that just, look at this. This is amazing. Pretty awesome.
So a little while ago, Bobby sent me a Sailing Doodles bikini, and I kind of forgot that I had it. I haven't really worn it yet, and I don't think he's ever seen me wear it, so we're just gonna give him a little surprise. Ready, guys? Hey, Bobby.
Yeah!
What do you think?
Looking sexy!
Does it look familiar?
Woo! Yes, ma'am. I like it. That's the sexiest bikini I've ever seen.
Gotta rep the brand.
That's the first time I've actually seen somebody wear it, like in person.
That's what I said.
It looks great. So check it out, the bikini, guys. Woo! Oh man, that looks great. All right.
And it's reversible. On the other side, there's a maverick and a goose.
Yeah.
And then
on the butt.
Sailing Doodles booty.
So, and you can have a maverick and, well, actually on the reverse of that is like the dog's drinking a beer, right?
Yeah.
So you can get Mav and Goose on each boob, and then the dog's drinking a beer on your butt. So sailingdoodles.com, go to merch.
Get your girl one.
Yeah.
They will like it.
I mean, if you're into that, go ahead.
And they're actually pretty comfortable.
Cool. I like it. Looks good. Thank you. So you can see that in there. That's the little control panel for a water maker. Actually, to turn the pressure up and down, I got to go down there. It's underneath there. You can hear it running. So for the last 30 minutes, I've been kind of getting that going because our port side tank is out. Although I've been having a hard time getting water out of the starboard tank. I don't know. So I kind of blew through there. I don't know. I need to have all the tanks on this boat polished, including the water tanks. My aft fuel tank, which is almost 300 gallons for the aft generator, has clogged up 2 filters now in the matter of a couple weeks, and the fuel's just nasty. I need to have that tank polished for sure. Been doing all the little stuff, kind of getting all that worked on. The girls are kind of hanging out suntanning, and I'm about to join them with a cigar. A little humidor here. I'll pick one up. These guys. So Sydney's up there getting her workout on and getting even more brown than she already is. I'm about to grab my cigar and about three beers and a little cooler and go sit on what we call Oscar. It's our little aft little dock back there. It's a beautiful spot. It really is. It's nice, all the tourist boats left, so now it's just our beach. It's pretty nice. Hey, it's a good time with friends here in Culebrita. Cheers to you guys. Happy hour. Absolutely. SVA to Lovelace. Check him out on Instagram. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
This is a gorgeous night. Oh, I see some tarpon swimming under the boat. Look at the clouds out there.
It has been pretty amazing having you back on the boat. So.
It's been really great to be here, and I love your new boat, and it's really good to be back here in Puerto Rico, especially with you.
Absolutely.
It's been awesome.
Glad we got to do all this that we didn't get to do last time.
Exactly, we're living it up.
Absolutely. It's a beautiful place, beautiful woman. Can't ask for better than that.